Okay, I wanted to zoom in. You guys can pause so you can read in details. This is the beginning of it. Some more information. And then the bottom section. Check VANOS Solenoids. Install new solenoids. Looks like it's sticking. Let's hope that's what it is. So before we do a whole lot more, I'm going to disconnect the battery and take some things out of the way to give us some more room. Taking these out of the way gives some more room to work and make it easier. Try to get in there and show you guys close where the VANOS solenoids are and everything. Oh, that was nice. Yay. What do you use my head, huh? Might be a little oil in there. Ooh. I keep knocking the camera. Here, that's good. It came out. Alright, let's get the second one out. There it is. Yep, that was the gaskets. Alright, let's see what we got. Got a lot of oil. Alright, that's the bottom one, that's the top one. I've already ordered two brand new ones. Should be here tomorrow. I'm not going to even try to clean these right now. I will do that later, but the success rate's pretty low from what I've been able to gather. So I'm not going to bother with too much fussing around with this. Yep, it's nice and shiny. Hopefully this solves our problem. It's got new O-rings, everything on there. All right, let's get them installed. line the holes up. There we go, seated. Nice and tight. Seated all the way. Slip the bottom one in. There we go. Now wiggle it back and forth and slide. There we go. Line up the hole. And let's get the bolt started. We're seated. Our straight is our upper. The solenoids are the same. Bottom and top are the exact same solenoid. There we go. She's gonna go in. There we go. That's all the way in, and that's all the way in. I just started it, so I was doing this idle thing, and now it's coming down to, should be around 600. Pretty smooth. That's good. I think we solved our issue. So it looks like we got the VANOS situation fixed. However, my footwell module is now fried. Now, I think I know why, but it was already in the fault code, so it may have been weakened. When I unplugged and replugged the battery back in, that was probably the last straw and just fried it. These things are very sensitive. There's a history of issues with them. They go all the time. So that'll be a different story, but the car is running nice now. So I'm pretty happy with that. Easy repair. So the footwell module, I found a company online that repairs those. So I'll do a small little video on that in case somebody has the same issue I do and needs to get it repaired instead of replaced. Hopefully it's repairable and the first thing. So I'll find out, and then if that works out, I'll make a video on it so you guys get the information. All right, thank you for watching.